This is the amazing MSRT, which is a Ford Transit 310 Limited, 2-litre diesel, but factory MSRT. Not one of them ones that look like an MSRT because someone's going to put a body kit and some wheels on. This is a factory MSRT in the beautiful gunmetal grey, 26,000 miles, 2017, 67 registration and full service history. The van is awesome. Probably one of the best vans out there physically available. Today, with a live pricing, this van is $32,990. And this is the best part. There's no VAT, so that's all you pay. $32,990, get this amazing, immaculate condition van. It's got the normal features. And now the MSRT, like the Focus RSs, there's a massive followers for these. People that work really hard and they spend a lot of time in the vans. They want to enjoy the day. Driving to work and back, taking the kids out, if it's quads you're into, if it's bikes, whatever it might be, there's lots of space in it, and you can carry your friends and family around with you, and that's why they're brilliant. Now this one's got this humongous front end with a very low lip bumper on it, LED style daytime running lights, xenons. You've got that extra splitter, which is the MSRT, the whole thing about the aggressive look on it. Front rear parking sensors, the big grille at the front there. It looks amazing, but as you come around the side, straight away you'll see the contrasting decals with the MSRT logos on it. You've got the genuine OZ racing wheels on there, which are lightweight wheels, but again it has that finish on them with the pattern and design, where it has that racing look as well. Like a rally off-road type van, if you want to call it that. It's amazing, and I do mean that. You've then got the full extension arch kit, which starts at the flared front bumper and finishes at the flared rear bumper. That extension arch kit continues down the front part of the door and then the side skirt as well with that blue decal. Sun protection glass, what we call blacked out windows, and they pop out as well. But then you've got this beautiful, sporty, blue stitching, fine, rich leather MSRT interior with the MSRT embossed into the leather itself. That steering wheel as well, I'll show you in more detail as I go around the other side. You've got leather seats, you've got heated seats, 6-speed manual gearbox, air conditioning. Yes, it is a van, but it's a very good van. It's a van that you'll enjoy, and I do mean that because sometimes I get a lot of very good clients that do use a van day in, day out, and they've got a Range Rover at home or a BMW or a Mercedes to take their wife and the family out on the weekend. But when, like I say, if you're going to work every day, there's nothing better. There's 3 seats in the front and there's 3 seats in the back. But the paddedness on the steering wheel, it's a Ford Transit van. They're bulletproof, they last forever. But do it in style, and that's what this van's all about. Not doing it in halves. Sliding doors on both sides, which makes it easier access for all your rear passengers. Even though the truck has 26,000 miles on, the condition is absolutely incredible. It's been so well looked after. The previous customers who we got the car from, it was brilliant. But you can just see, it only takes about 60 seconds and you know if the van has been trashed and it's been used and abused. This one is quite the opposite. Very well looked after, hasn't been anywhere off-road really, nothing like that. Just been used as a family truck, you can see. 3-point seat belts, everyone's got a headrest, the bulkhead, which then lets you put lots in the back without slapping the back of the head. Rear lip spoiler, that lovely. Is there another van out there that looks as good as that from the rear end? Don't get me wrong, I love the Transporters, T32s and the rest of them. I think they look great as well. And this is one of them, it looks mega, but this is from the factory. Somebody hasn't gone and put an extra bumper on it to make it look like an R-line, nothing like that. This is how it's come, with the exhaust fascias, the reversing camera, because it's got a big back end obviously. And look at this for space. First of all, condition. It's brand new. Literally, it's wooded out, put what you want in here and utilise it. If it's work, hobby, adventure out for the weekend, I don't know, fishing, whatever you do, use it, make the most out of it. Life's too short as it is and you can't go away. And if you have got a business, just imagine for 1 second with your business logos on the side of that, on the back of that. You're doing pretty well. And I'd always want to hire someone who's got a nice van, because you know they're not just a cowboy really. Everything about this van is just perfect. From the seats, to the entry kick plates, to the seating position, the sound of the engine. It's a nice, sweet Ford diesel engine. And if you look down here, you've got, most importantly, the MSRT limited edition plaque number 1079. I can read upside down. The thickness of the steering wheel with a blue accent again and the MSRT. Automatic headlights, automatic window wipers, cruise control, stereo controls, Bluetooth controls. It's got everything. But you sat so high up, there's cubby holes there. It's just, there's cubby holes underneath here with the 12-volt socket and the USB. So stick your phone there, let it charge while you go and price some jobs up. Whatever you're doing, I don't know. What I do know though, at 32,990, whenever I've had one of these in, they just sell. Now I do remember somebody ringing me, asking me if I'm going to get a great MSRT in. So if you're that man watching this video, do get in touch. My name and number is on the bottom of the screen. Drop me a text, WhatsApp me, call me, because it's not going to hang around. If anybody else is watching this video and you know someone that wants a van and wants a special one, let them know that this one's available, because look at it, not a single dent on site. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.